Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some questions from vector algebra. Miscellaneous exercise question number 7. Are you ready? Okay. If vector A is equal to I plus j plus k, vector B is equal to 2i minus j plus 3k, and vector C is equal to I minus 2j plus k, find a unit vector parallel to the vector 2a minus b plus 3c. Okay. Vector A is equal to I plus j plus k. Vector B is equal to 2i minus j plus 3k. Vector C is equal to I minus 2j plus k. Find a unit vector parallel to the vector 2a minus b plus 3c. How we can find a vector parallel to the given vector? Okay, here we can represent the vector parallel to the given vector, that is vector D, that is equal to lambda times of 2a vector minus b vector plus 3z vector. Okay, a vector is parallel to the given vector, that is equal to lambda times of that vector. Understood? Okay, then vector A is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, then 2 times of A vector is equal to 2A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Am I correct? Okay, then vector B is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Then vector C is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, then 3 into C vector is equal to 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, then we should find D vector is equal to lambda times of 2a vector. This is 2a vector, that is 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, then minus b vector. B vector means this is b vector, that is 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, then plus 3c vector plus 3c vector, this is 3c vector, 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, then D vector is equal to lambda times of 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Then we should open the bracket, that is minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap plus 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, that is equal to lambda times of 2i cap minus 2i cap, we can cancel these two. Then again one I cap is here, that is 3i cap. Then j cap, 2j cap plus j cap means 3j cap. 3j cap minus 6j cap means that is minus 3j cap. Then this is 2k cap minus 3k cap means minus kk cap. Minus kk cap plus 3k cap means that is 2k cap. Okay. So vector D is equal to lambda times of this. This is the answer. So vector D is equal to, this is equation number 1. Vector D is equal to lambda times of 3i minus 3j plus 2k. That is the vector parallel to the vector 2a vector minus b vector plus 3z vector. Okay, after finding the value of lambda, we should multiply this vector with the lambda. Then we will get vector d. Then how we can find the value of lambda? Okay, this parallel vector is a unit vector. So its magnitude is unity. So we can find the magnitude of vector d, that is equal to root of lambda square into 3 square, that is 9, plus minus 3 square means that is also 9, plus 2 square means that is 4. Okay, then we will get root of lambda square means that is lambda into root of 9 plus 9 means 18 plus 4 means 22. So modulus of lambda in root of 22, then modulus of vector d means that is 1. 1 is equal to lambda root 22. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1 by root 22. Am I correct? Okay. So, lambda is equal to 1 by root 22. Then we can find the vector, that is d vector is equal to lambda times of 3i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. That means 1 by root 22. That's 3 by root 22 I cap minus 3 by root 22 j cap plus 2 by root 22 k cap. Okay. Then first we should find 2a vector minus b vector plus 3c vector. Then a vector parallel to the vector 2a minus b plus 3c, that is equal to, we can represent that vector as vector d, that is equal to lambda times of 2a minus b plus 3c. Then first we should find 2a minus b plus 3c. Then vector d is equal to lambda times of 3i minus 3j plus 2k. Then the vector parallel to the given vector, that is a unit vector, is already given there. So we should find the modulus of vector d, that is equal to root of lambda square into 3 square means 9 plus 9 plus 4, that is equal to lambda times root 22, that is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to 1 by root 22. So we should substitute the value of lambda is equal to 1 by root 22 in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1, then we will get vector d is equal to 3 by root 22 I cap minus 3 by root 22 j cap plus 2 divided by root 22 k cap. Understood? Did you follow me? Okay. Okay guys, study this 7th question now. The remaining question we will take in the next class. Until then, bye bye.